Former President spokesperson Harry Roque attended a Senate hearing today, Monday, July 29, regarding illegal offshore gaming operators or POGOs. Roque admitted that he once lived in a house that was raided by the Bureau of Immigration on Saturday, July 27 in Tuba, Benguet, where 2 foreign nationals were arrested. Attorney Roque stated that although he has an interest in the corporation that owns the house, his share is nominal or small. The former official also denied that the company in question is involved in POGO activities.
Tiniran ko po yan nung ako po'y umalis ng gobyerno, and I do have an interest in the corporation that owns it. No? Pero wala po sa akin ang possession ng bahay na yan. Dahil as of January of 2024, yan po'y pinaupahan ng korporasyon, at ang umuupa po ay isang Wang Yun na isang Chinese national na siya po ay pumirma sa contract of lease ay require siya na magpakita ng alien certificate of registration at lumalabas po na siya ay holder ng isang 9G working visa, meaning she has a right to be in the Philippines. Yun nga po, yung lalaki, ang alam ko, is the partner of one Yun, and alam niyo po, hanggang ngayon, meron akong katiwala doon. Well, I do not deny po na I have an interest in the corporation. Hindi ko po dinideny yun. In fact,
aling corporation po iyan?
Ang pangalan po ata is PH2, hindi ko maalala, no?
PH2?
PH2.
Pero wait a minute, dapat maalala niyo po, well, you intend to
mahaba po yung pangalan.
Procure 100% ownership.
Anyway, maya-maya po, darating po yung...
What does PH2 stand for?
Well, ano po yan eh, that's the location of the address of the house. Okay, anyway, maya-maya po.
PH2, what's the whole address
parang
of the
phase
house?
2, black number, gano'n.
Okay,
no?
phase 2.
Pero maya-maya po, nagpakuha ko ng contract of lease para ipakita rito sa komite na ito, no?
And sa ngayon po, kayo ang majority shareholder ng PH2?
Sa ngayon po, hindi.